In this video, I will show you how to start and end attendance in Twib. Go to menu and click on attendance. On the attendance screen, click the red button to start your attendance. Once it turns green, this means attendance has started. One has to keep in mind that they must provide access to the GPS location of the phone to start or end attendance. After clocking in, you can exit the app and do your usual work. To stop the attendance, go to Twib Attendance page, and click the green button to stop the attendance. Once it turns red, the attendance will stop. Now to check your previous attendance, scroll down. And to check your past attendance, click on the Past Attendance button underneath. This will show the previous attendance details. Thank you for watching this video.